Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how to create a new instance template in Google Cloud Platform. I'll show you in the lab in more details so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. Guys, in this session, I'll guide you how to create an instance template in Google Cloud Platform. As you can see here, all the steps as I mentioned here, we'll go through all the steps one by one. Then you can easily create a instance template in Google Cloud Platform. I'll show you all the details inside the lab so that you can easily understand it. And I'll show you also how do you create an instance template using the GCP CLI command. Guys, let's switch to the GCP Console web portal page. Now guys, I'll guide you how to create a new instance template using GCP Console Portal. Guys, as you can see here, this is the Compute Engine web portal page. Then you can click on instance template here. As you can see here, there is an option available for create instance template. Then click on create instance template button here. Then fill all the information required field here. Then first name of the instance. As I fill the name of the instance template as first template, then you can select your template as global or regional based on your requirement. I added here as the global as default. Then guys, you can select your machine type, families already you know guys, the E2, N2 based on your project requirement. Then you can change your image name from here. You can change to Ubuntu, Fedora, like Red Hat Linux and so more based on your requirement. I selected as here as default as Debian operating system here. Then click on select here. Then guys, if you want to allow the firewall rule like HTTP, HTTPS for your template, then you can select here. Then click on advanced button guys here. Then this is the important section guys. In the networking, you can select your private network based on your project requirement, but here I don't have any private network, so that I selected here as default. And the rest of the field already guys. If you want to fill the management and disk and security based on your requirement, you can select here, but now I'll leave as it is. Then click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create your instance template. Guys, as you can see here, the instance template is successfully created here. Now this is your instance template guys. The first template is successfully created here. Now I hope so now you can understand how do you create a instance template using the GCP Console Portal. Now guys, I'll show you how do you create a instance template using the GCP CLI command. As you can see here guys, this is the simple command I mentioned here. The G Cloud Compute instance template create. This is the name of the instance template as the CLI template new. Then add your project ID, machine type you can select, then network you can select as default, and then you can select your the image. That is important guys, in which operating system do you want to create your instance template. Then finally you press enter and wait a couple of seconds to create your new template. As you can see here guys, the template CLI template new is successfully created. Now then let's switch to GCP Console web portal page. Then click on refresh. As you can see here guys, the CLI template new is successfully created here. Now guys, I'll guide you how do you delete your instance template. Then guys, you can select your instance template here, then click on delete. As you can see here, click on delete button here, or you can click on action button, then click on delete also here available. You have more option guys, then click on delete here, then you can fill delete as you can see here, then copy the delete, then you can click on delete button here and wait a couple of seconds to delete your instance template, then click on refresh here guys. As you can see here, the instance template is successfully deleted here. Now guys, I hope so you can understand how do you create a instance template and using GCP Console Portal, and how do you create a instance template using GCP CLI command. Guys, thank you so much and have a great day, and see you in the next session.